Today we are watching the video for ITA Fitter Trade Theory Semester 2 Arrear Question Paper 2019 English Model. This question full title front of the question. First year exam annual examination 2-year trade. Dear friends, subscribe my channel and press the bell button. Question number 1. Scraper is made of carbon steel. This question answer B. Carbon steel. Question number 2. A divider is used for scraping circle, scraping arc, transferring and stepping up distance. Option A, B, C, three option correct answer. So all of these. This question answer D, all of these. Question number 3. The slot are provided on angle plate for angle plate slot is used for accommodating bolt. This question answer A answer. Question number 4. The point angle of center punch has the following angle. This question answer 12 degree to 15 degree. This question answer D. Question number 5. Usually the width of hand with jaw is dash. This question answer 120 to 150 mm. This question answer D. Question number 6. The height of the vise top should be dash. The height of the vise top should be dash. This question answer just at elbow level. Answer C. Question number 7. High hole of camera is dash. High hole of camera is tapered from both ends. This question answer C. Question number 8. Hand vise is used for dash. Hand vise is used for doing minute work. This question answer D. Doing minute work. Question number 9. The jaw plate of the punch vise are made of dash. The jaw plate of punch vise are made of dash. This question answer tool steel. This question answer A answer tool steel. Question number 10. The length of the hammer handle for a 500 gram hammer should be about. The length of the hammer handle for a 500 gram hammer should be about dash. This question answer 300 mm. Option B. Question number 11. Which one of the following instrument is used to measure accurately the angle of taper? Which one of the following instrument is used to measure accurately the angle of taper? This question answer vernier bevel protractor. This question answer option C answer. Correct answer C. Vernier bevel protractor. Question number 12. Which one of the following instrument is used for checking flatness and squareness of the surface? Which of the following instrument is used for checking flatness and squareness of the surface? This question answer tray square. Option A correct answer. Tray square. Question number 13. Which among the following factor governs the selection of feed while turning a workpiece? Which among the following factors governs the selection of feed while turning a workpiece? This question answer surface finish required. Option B correct answer. Surface finish required. This question answer option B. Question number 14. Which one of the following type of chip is found while turning cast iron? Which one of the following type of chip is found while turning cast iron? Sir, burr removing type, cast and piece. This question answer segmental chip. Option B correct answer. Segmental chip. Question number 15. Sender drilling should be done at dash. Sender drilling should be done at dash. This question answer higher RPM with a slower speed. This question answer A correct answer. Higher RPM with a slower speed. Question number 16. Power feed is not possible in compounded slide method of tap turning. Which one of the following defect can be noticeable on the tapered workpiece due to the above reason? Power feed is not possible in the compound slide method of taper turning. Which one of the following defect can be noticeable on the taper workpiece due to the above reason? This question answer chatter, vibrating method. This question option A correct answer, chatter. Question number 17. A multi-star thread is cut on lathe. A multi-star thread is cut on a lathe. So lathe machine multi-star thread cutting method is, this question answer by a caster. Option A correct answer. Say sir. Question number 18. Trussing and truing of the grinding wheel or dash. Trussing and truing of the grinding wheel or dash. This question answer only for farm grinding wheel. Only for farm grinding wheel. This question answer D answer. Question number 19. Which among the following is the natural abrasive? Which among the following is the natural abrasive? Corundum, diamond, emery. 3 option correct answer. So all of these answer. This question answer option D. All of these. Question number 20. Which one of the following sender is suitable while cutting taper by set up method? Set over method. Which one of the following sender is suitable while cutting taper by set over method? This question answer revolving sender. This question answer revolving sender. Answer D right answer. Question number 21. Which one of the following is used to hold the workpiece for measuring diameter? Concentric to it is cold or bore? Which one of the following is used to hold the workpiece for measuring diameter? Concentric to it, hole or bore? This question answer Forja jug. This question answer Forja jug. Option D. Question number 22. Which among the following is not the feature of tailstock? Which among the following is not the feature of tailstock? This question answer it called the job. Tailstock is not called the job. Answer A answer. Question number 23. Calyx angle in degree of past calyx drill is normally. Calyx angle in degree of past calyx drill is normally 35 degree. Answer A. This question answer 35 degree. Option A correct answer. Question number 24. The purpose of calical screw in the twist drill is to. The purpose of calical screw in the twist drill is to. This question answer provide space for chip removal. Provide space for chip removal. This question answer C. Question number 25. Which of the following in a single point cutting tool? Which of the following is a single point cutting tool? This question answer parting tool. D answer. Option D correct answer. 14 told. Question number 26. Inside caliper measurement can be read only dash. Inside caliper measurement can be read only dash. This question answer by transferring measurement. By transferring measurement. The answer A answer. Option A correct answer. Question number 27. The depth micrometer is used for measurement of wide range of size because the depth micrometer is used for the measurement of the wide range of size because dash. This question answer it has a number of extension rod for different range of size. It has a number of extension rod for the different range of size. This question answer A option correct answer. A correct answer. Question number 28. Hand hammer used for forging work weight. Hand hammer used for forging work weight. This question answer 2 kilogram. Answer B. Option B correct answer 2 kg. Question number 29. Which is used for holding the round job? Which is used for holding the round job? This question answer V block with clamp. Round job only hold the V block tools. V block is with clamp. Option C correct answer. Question number 30. Which angle plate is used to support and clamp the job? Which angle plate is used to support and clamp the job? This question answer slotted angle plate. Option C correct answer. Slotted angle plate. This question answer. Question number 31. The purpose of normalizing is to dash. The purpose of normalizing is to dash. This question answer refine the structure. Refine the structure. This question answer option C correct answer. Question number 32. The head of the soldering iron is made of dash. The head of the soldering iron is made of dash. This question answer copper. Option C correct answer copper. Question number 33. The process by which the edge of the sheet are made stronger and rigid is dash. The process by which the edge of the sheet are made stronger and rigid is dash. This question answer edge stiffening. This question answer option C correct answer edge stiffening. Question number 34. Trammel is used to mark a distance of dash. Trammel is used to mark a distance of dash. This question answer 1000 millimeter. Option D correct answer. Question number 35. Which accessory is used as a clamping device to grip and manipulate the electrode during arc welding? Which accessory is used to a clamping device to grip and manipulate the electrode during arc welding? This question answer electrode holder. Option C correct answer. Question number 36. The point angle of center punch is dash. The point angle of center punch is dash. This question answer 90 degree. Option C correct answer. Question number 37. The table of hand saw machine is dash. The table of hand saw machine is dash. This question answer can be rotate. Option C correct answer can be rotate. Question number 38. Drills are usually made up of dash. Drills are usually made up of dash. This question answer 38 question answer catches high speed steel. Answer C. Option C correct answer high speed steel catches. Question number 39. Which size of drill is used for tapping with M5 tap? Which size of drill is used for tapping with M5 tap? This question answer 4 mm. Option A correct answer 4 mm. Question number 40. While drilling on lathe, the drill is held in the dash. While drilling on lathe, the drill is held in the dash. This question answer tailstock. Option B correct answer, tailstock. Question number 41. Which of the following is used to hold the regular workpiece? Which of the following is used to hold the regular workpiece? This question answer Trija Chak. Option D correct answer, Trija Chak. Question number 42. Grinding is basically a dash. Grinding is basically a dash. This question answer machining process. Option C correct answer, machining process. Question number 43. PIS is known as dash. PIS is known as dash. This question Proof of Indian Standard. Option C correct answer, Proof of Indian Standard. Question number 44. The best way to avoid accident is by dash. The best way to avoid accident is by dash. This question answer observing safety rules related to job and machine workplace. Observing safety rules related to job and machine workplace. This question answer option C correct answer. Question number 45. To convert the inner motion of plunger of the dial indicator to rotary motion of the pointer, which one of the following mechanism is used for to convert the inner motion of plunger of the dial indicator to rotary motion of pointer, which one of the following mechanism is used for? This question answer rack and pinion mechanism. Option B correct answer, rack and pinion mechanism. Question number 46. Least count of Vernier micrometer is dash. Least count of Vernier micrometer is dash. This question answer Vernier micrometer least count 0.01 mm. This question answer 0.001 mm. Option A correct answer, 0.001 mm. Option A correct answer. Question number 47. Which one of the following is a ferrous metal? Which one of the following is a ferrous metal? This question answer mild steel. MS answer option D correct answer, option D mild steel. Question number 48. Cast iron cannot be forged because it has the property of dash. Cast iron cannot be forged because it has the property of dash. This question answer brittleness. This question answer brittleness. Option D correct answer, brittleness. Question number 49. A micrometer has 0.03 mm positive error. If micrometer read 20.43 mm, then actual reading is dash. A micrometer has 0.03 mm positive error. If micrometer read 20.43 mm, then actual reading is dash. This question answer 20.49 mm. Option A correct answer, 20.49 mm. Question number 50. Boring operation is performed as. Boring operation is performed as. This question answer to enlarging a hole. Option C correct answer, to enlarging a hole. C correct answer. This 50 question is useful to you. Thanks to all.